When I purchased this trailer, one of my dreams was to come up and explore lakes like this. So I built a whole system, solar powered. I have refrigeration, I can stay off grid as long as I want, but I still needed a boat. This is part of a plan that just came together. Oru came out with the Inlet, nice portable kayak. You know, you have to take this kayak for its strengths. Its strengths are portability, ease of assembly, although today I had it was a little bit more of a challenge. Instead of 5 minutes, it took me almost 10 minutes to put it together because I had to figure out where I am is in the shade, and it's in the upper 30s, the temperature. Here in the Adirondacks up in New York State, and the plastic gets a little more stiff in the winter, you know, in the colder months, and there's no sunshine for me to leave it out in to soften it up, so I just had to wrestle with it a little bit more. It responded and it took shape. So you know, you got to understand the boat for what it is, and this one is just perfect for exploring, and I'm exploring every nook and cranny on this lake. And I've seen places that pretty much only wildlife sees. But I did see a bear. And most people think bears are problems. You know, they're the second smartest mammal in North America, second only to man. And most people think they're a problem. So I asked the bear, "What's your biggest problem?" She said, "Humans." I'd have to agree with her.